Hi, welcome to SGT University. I am Dr. Vatsala Saharan from the Faculty of Allied Health Sciences. Today we will learn about nuts and oil seeds. Nuts are seeds or fruits consisting of an edible fat containing kernel and surrounded by a hard or a brittle shell. Nuts have rich flavor and have a great commercial importance. Now, let's discuss nutritive value of oil seeds and nuts. Like pulses, oil seeds nuts are rich in protein and in addition they contain high level of fat. Hence, they are not only good source of protein but are concentrated source of energy. They do not contain an appreciable amount of carbohydrate but contain high level of B vitamins. Groundnuts are particularly rich in thiamine and nicotinic acid. Oil seeds produced in the country are mostly used for oil extraction. In India, nuts like walnut, cashew nut, coconut, chestnut, almond, and oil seeds like groundnut, mustard, soya bean are more commonly grown for edible oil purpose. Let's talk about digestibility of nuts. Sometimes nuts are indigestible if they are consumed in large quantities or poorly masticated. Nuts are concentrated food with little water or roughage. Now let's discuss storage characteristics of nuts. Unshelled nuts keep longer than shelled nuts. For the sake of convenience, nuts are sold in the shelled form. They are packed in tin cans and sterilized. An antioxidant is sometimes added to salted nuts because rancidity develops more readily in salted than in unsalted nuts. Rancidity can be delayed by keeping nuts in airtight containers under refrigeration. Now we will discuss some specific nuts and oil seeds. First is coconut. Coconut water is a refreshing drink which also hygienic and nutritive. The white flesh is calorie rich, extensively used for cooking in South India. From grated wet coconut kernel, good quality oil as well as protein and carbohydrate can be extracted to prepare coconut honey. Undesirable flavor changes in desiccated coconut is due to oxidative rancidity of the oil. The residual cake after the oil has been extracted is used as cattle food. Next is groundnut. Groundnuts resemble other pearls in general nutritive value, except that they are rich in fat. The whole seed contains about 40% fat, twice the amount in soya bean. Groundnuts are boiled or roasted and consumed, but the chief product is the oil, which is used either as cooking oil or for making margarine and soap. The secondary product is the residue or cake left after the expression of the oil. It is also purified and used in supplementary mix. The major proteins of groundnut are arachidine and coarachidine, which is lacking in lysine and methionine, and its quality can be improved by either adding these amino acids or foods rich in the same. Now next is soya bean. The protein of soya bean yields all the essential amino acids in adequate amounts except methionine and cysteine, which are deficient. Soya bean is rich in lysine and can be used to supplement a staple rice diet. Studies have estimated that soybean reduce blood cholesterol. Apart from being used as oil, soybean is used in different forms. It is used in sausages, biscuits, breakfast foods, and other cereal products. Textured vegetable proteins and other artificial meat products are made from soybean. Soya protein is an important constituent in some infant foods and milk substitutes. The biological value of soybean protein can be increased by autoclaving it in steam at 125 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Now let's discuss processing of nuts and oil seeds. First is oil extraction. The nuts and oil seeds are cleared, dehusked, and oil is extracted by mechanical pressing, screw pressing, press solvent extraction, and direct solvent extraction. Next is protein isolate. After solvent extraction, it is treated with dilute sodium hydroxide at pH 8. The proteins are separated by filtration and washing with water and then used for different purposes. Now we will learn some of the role of nuts and oil seeds in cookery. Nuts are used fresh, raw, roasted or boiled or salted form and also fried forms. Nuts are used as thickening agents. Coconut, poppy seeds and cashew nuts are used as thickening agents in the preparation of gravy. Chutneys can be made and used from nuts. Example, groundnut and coconut. Sweets are made from nuts. Example, chikki, burfi, cashew nut cake. Oil is used as cooking media for frying and seasoning. Oil is also used as preservative in pickles. Powders made out of nuts like coconut and groundnut are used as chutneys and salad dressings. Nuts are also used in ice creams, cakes, pastries, and chocolates. Nuts are also used in beverages. Example, badam kheer, badam shakes. Peanut butter is used as a topping on the bread or as a side dish along with chapatis. Oilseed cakes are used as weaning food or a thickening agent in vegetables like capsicum. Nuts are used as garnishing material, raw, roasted, salted, or in a boiled form. So today we have learned about nuts and oil seeds, and in our next lecture we will be learning about some relevant topic. So keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.